Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So as usual, today is the day that I would post a video of me painting digitally. And I know it's been a while since I've made a video of me showing my face, and as you have seen, I'm in a new space now. It's actually still in my house, but the previous few videos are shot in the balcony, and this is in the ground floor of my house. As you can see, there's better lighting system, and since it's the rainy season right now, we cannot have good lighting system outside. We cannot depend on sunlight. It's cloudy every day, so I decided to move inside. And this video though is a very special digital painting. It's because I dedicate this painting to my uncle. Now, quick run back. I promised my uncle a year and a half ago, that was in February 2019, that I would paint him a painting of koi fish. Because first of all, he loves fish, and koi fish is probably one of his favorite fish. And the time that I promised him was when I had my exhibition in Phnom Penh City, my home country. So he came to the exhibition and he asked whether or not I have time to, paint him a painting of koi fish. Now, what I didn't promise him was whether it's traditional painting or digital. And now that I have an iPad and a Procreate, why not try digital? As I have mentioned about my exhibition and stuff, if you guys want to know about my art journey, I'll link a video in the card up here so you can go and check it out. Now let's talk a bit about my uncle. He is my mother's youngest brother. Basically, if you count age difference, he's more of a bigger brother figure to me than an uncle, because we have spent so many times together. I grew up with him. He has taught me a lot about life, even about playing games. Don't tell my dad. Well, a year and a half, and here we are now. Better late than never. And this is how the painting came out. It turned out way better than I expected it to be. This is how it came out. But because I want to maximize the screen usage of the video in YouTube, I actually rotated it so that the painting video should come out like this. It's actually in a landscape way. So without any further ado, let's jump into the painting part. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.